I bought this mic from eBay. It's just a $20 cheapie. Just a little clip-on mic with a lightning connector to go into the iPhone. And then on the front we've just got the trusty old Hero 5. I wasn't game enough to try the Hero 7 in case it falls off. So we'll set this up and see how it goes. So I've just unclipped the lining from this. Basically just clipped it on to the front section of the helmet, and then we'll tuck all the wiring through here and work out what we're going to do out the back here. Alright, so it's all fastened up inside now, so I just thought I'd do a quick sound test. It might be a bit echoey or a bit loud because we're indoors, but yeah, just quick sound test, make sure it all works. Alright, so which one shall we take out today? We got the 750, the Jigsaw, or we got the Ninja. Well, based on the fact that this thing is totally awesome and I don't have to move anything to get it out, we'll take this one today. Alright, so what we got here? We got a 2013 GSXR 750. Current model since 2011. Says a lot about how good the bike was in 2011 if 10 years down the track they've still got the same specs. It had some decent improvements over the previous model. It had a lot of minor tweaks that you probably won't see. The most noticeable that you can see is it got the Brembo brakes and it got the Showa big piston forks. Now the brakes weren't actually that great for Brembos, or not what I was expecting. So we chucked some braided lines on there and we've upgraded the street pad to a track pad, and the brakes are actually now awesome. Apart from that, the bike's pretty much stock. We've got some aftermarket levers and we got the M4 shorty exhaust. And all the stickers and the colour scheme is something I did myself after crashing the bike at the track. You'll probably see that in one of my previous videos. We needed to do some paint work, so I thought, why not? Let's add some colour to it. Camera doesn't actually do it justice. It is incredibly bright. I'll try and get some better footage later when we're in the sunlight, but it looks awesome. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Normally I'd pick this one with the Jigsaw, matching colours, looks pretty cool, but we don't have that option today. This is my oldest helmet. I've had it about 8 years and it's the only one that has camera mounts on it, so we're using that one today, the old RJs with the Aussie flag on it. Got a couple of options on gloves. These are some eBay gloves which I bought about 8 years ago, same time that I bought my helmet. I think they cost about $35 and they're just starting to get a little bit raggy now. Had my money's worth out of them, which is why I recently bought these from AliExpress. $23. They're actually so good. The protection on them is so good. But it's a bit cold today, so we'll use the full length ones that have seen a bit of action in their time. Alright, we've got a couple of options on leathers. These are my newest ones and in very good condition. We won't wear them. These are my oldest ones, which fit like a glove or like an old pair of slippers. Like, I just can't get rid of them, they fit so good. Seen a few spills in this, but I still love to wear them. But we're just doing a casual ride today, so we'll wear the RST jacket and, excuse the slippers, crown. Yep. I got these jeans. They're like the Dragon jeans, but they're from a company called Torque. Now, I don't know if I've got some women's ones, but they button up the other way. I'll be keen to know anyone that's got these. Torque is the brand name, to see if they button up the same way, or maybe I'm just riding in women's jeans. But hey, it's 2021. If a guy can't ride in women's jeans, then what can he do? so we've got added wind noise now and engine noise from the bike. So we'll see how we go. So anyway, the GSXR 750 L3 model. Let me tell you a little story about wanting and buying this bike. So I've always loved Suzuki's. I had a SV650 a few years back. Really learned to ride on that bike. Had that for a few years. Actually commuted on it. Got a bit fed up with bikes because I was mainly commuting and not having so much fun riding it. Got into the performance car scene for a little while. Jap import, turbo cars. Ran that for a little while. And then went, do you know what? I need to get another bike. When I bought my SV650, I bought it brand new in 2002. And at that time, the K-Series GSXRs had pretty much just come out. And in the shop at the time, there was a lovely K2 GSXR 1000. And that was my dream bike. But unfortunately, the cost, couldn't quite afford it at the time. We hadn't been in Australia very long and we're trying to find our feet. So we never got that one. But fast forward to, well, I don't know what year it was, I'm useless with time, but probably around about 8 or 9 years ago, I decided to get another bike. And what comes up for sale but a K2 GSXR 1000. So I get the bike, absolutely love it. Dream bike, you know, 10 years later than I wanted it, but still got the dream bike. So ran that for a bit, did the usual thing that idiots like myself do. Oh, this thing's not quick enough, I need something faster, I need something newer, blah blah blah. Ended up doing my first ever track day, which was weird that I've never done a track day because I've done track days in cars like. Alright, I'm going to stop that there. I'm not going to subject you to any more of that. I had a heap more footage, but I was very disappointed with the audio quality from the mic. I guess you get what you pay for. $20 mic is going to sound like crap. But I thought I'd give it a go. You never know. Sometimes you can get lucky with that kind of stuff. So I guess moving forward from here, I'll be looking at some better quality audio recording equipment. If you know of any and you can recommend any that's not going to break the bank, just put it in the comments, please. Open to any suggestions, anyone that's used this type of equipment before. This is literally my first time using this stuff, so I'm a bit of a newcomer and I don't know what the go is. Like I say, $20, give it a go. Big fail, back to the drawing board. So yeah, hopefully I can give this another go and maybe come up with some better content for you.